Good day, everybody. This is Miss Abney. I was about to say good morning, but you guys could be watching this at different times of the day. So hello, everybody. It's Miss Abney. I'm here for topic 2, lesson 2, example 4. And in this one, we're going to write an equation of a parabola given 3 points. So we're going to have to figure out basically what our parabola is going to look like. So the equation of a parabola is, let's see, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And I know that I now have 3 variables that I have to solve for. So this is kind of looking like something that we did in the previous topic 1. We have 3 variables. We have 3 ways to substitute into x and y, and we're going to have like a 3x4 type of matrix here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to substitute that first point in, -2 and 32. So my first equation is going to be 32 equals -2. Oh, hold on here. A times -2 squared plus b times -2 plus c. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. I cannot even think of the word opposite of expand right now. Compress this. So -2 squared, -2 squared is going to be a +4 because a negative times a negative gives me a positive. 2 times 2 is 4 times a. I don't know why I put those parentheses. Let's take out those parentheses, plus, well, this is a -2, so I'm going to make this a -2b plus c. All right, so this is as condensed as we can make it. We don't know what a, b, and c are. That's what we're going to try to find. So the second equation that I'm going to come up with, 1, 5, is going to be 1, 5. Because I have 3 variables, a, b, and c, to solve for, I'm going to have 3 different equations, and I'm going to have a 4x3, so 4 columns, 3 rows, to solve that in the matrix. All right, so this is going to be 5 equals a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. I'm just substituting the x and y. So now I have 5 equals a plus b plus c. And then the last point looking at this is 3 and 17. Okay, so I have again 17 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. 3 squared is 9, so we're going to look at 9a plus 3b plus c. Now looking at my 3 different equations, I'm going to be putting these in the matrices. Remember, I already told you with the matrix, you're going to have a, b, c here, and then this, your constant on this side. But if you look at my matrix, I have the constants on the left, so I just need to make sure that I follow a, b, and c, and then put the constants here. So this is going to be 32, this is going to be 5, and this is going to be 17. Okay, my a in this first equation is 4. My b in this first equation is -2, and my c in this first equation is going to be 1, because we're multiplying 1. Oh, sorry, we're multiplying 1 by c. As a matter of fact, all our c's are 1, because we're multiplying that invisible 1, that ninja 1, by c. All right, so the next grouping is a, so that's a 1, 1, and 1. Pretty easy there. The second one is a 9, 3, and 1. And now we have our matrix. Going over to my calculator, which I do not have up right now, so let's open that up. I'll actually close this because that's not even working. Oh, make it small. We'll open up my handy dandy calculator. That sign says that my calculator is now connected. And I am now going to put this into my matrix. So just a reminder, I'm going to hit second, x to the -1. I already have a matrix in there, which is perfectly fine. I'm just going to go edit that matrix, and I'm going to make this a 3×4. And now I'm going to put my new numbers in. My numbers are 4, -2, 1, and 32. Then I'm going to do 1, 1, 1, and 5. And next I'm going to do 9, 3, 1, and 17. And now I have to quit out of this. There's no way that I can stay in here. So I'm going to hit second and mode. And then I want to evaluate this matrix. So I'm going to go back into that matrix tab, and I'm going to go all the way down to reduced row echelon form, RREF. Hit enter. Then I'm going to go grab my matrix. And what I find here is in my matrix, we have A is equal to 3, B is equal to -6, and C is equal to 8. Now let me write out my function. So f of x replaces the y because we're talking about this as being a function relative to x. My a is 3x squared. My b is -6x, and my c is 8. So there is my equation. And we can confirm this by looking at the graph. Let me go over to Desmos. That'd be the easiest way to show the points. X squared minus 6x plus 8. Here's a nice graph. Let's see if I could do a point. Let's see if I do -2, 32. Desmos gives us a point. 0.1. It does not. I was hoping it. What does it? Oh, it does. Right there. So that's on our point. Let's do the second point. Sorry, I was actually pleasantly surprised by this. So let's do the second point. 1, 5. This is 0.2. And then the last point that they gave us is 3, 17. And label is 0.3. And each one of these points is on our graph. So we do have the correct graph. We have the correct formula. So again, any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section in Google Classroom, or send me a reminder if you need some extra help. But I will be seeing you guys later. Have a great day if you don't go on to the next video.